Oh wow, I just got a notification from Amazon. Let's go see what it is. Around here. See what we got. I'm excited. It's always fun to get some stuff from Amazon. It's a package. Let's see here. Very interesting. It's got Arabic. That's Arabic, right? That's gotta be, or Arabic, however you say it. It says to me. So let's see what it is. Put it over here on the table. Let me get something to open the box with. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Let's see what we got here. All right, there's a letter. Oh my gosh. It's in Arabic too. Not sure what I'm going to do about that. Let me see. I'll just get Google Translate and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, Google Translate says, "Dear Mr. Davis, we regret to inform you that in spite of your repeated request to secure copies of the original Greek papyrus upon which the Apostle Paul recorded his correspondence to the Galatian churches, we are still unable to come to an agreement with Mr. Viola to release these precious artifacts to anyone outside of himself and our staff here at the Museum of Antiquities. In light of your persistence, however, Mr. Viola has graciously agreed to send you original copies of his latest work, which he so diligently spent many thousands of hours in our locked-down, non-publicly accessible archives, rigorously researching. In our view, this book includes an excellent reflection of the content you have been searching for and so much more. We hope this satisfies your undying request for more, at least to some degree. Signed, Ashraf Al-Qadi, Director of Antiquities, Alexandria National Museum, Egypt. P.S. Thank you so much for sending the Gem Mint PSA 10 Frank Viola rookie card. It may be helpful in our future negotiations with Mr. Viola. We hope that you understand how difficult it might be to offer this card to him since, like both of you, we are also huge Mets fans." Oh my goodness. This is incredible. Wow. Look at this beauty. This thing is huge. It's massive. The Untold Story of the New Testament Church. Can't wait to get into it.